Teachable is a leading platform for creating and selling online courses. Founded in 2014 and acquired in 2023, it empowers educators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to build online academies. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of signing up for a Teachable account, creating your school, and setting up your first course. Teachable has become a dominant force with over 1 million creators and 200,000 active courses as of late 2025. To get started with Teachable, begin by visiting teachable.com in your web browser. On the landing page, you'll see the Teachable logo and information about their platform features and pricing. Locate and click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You'll be asked to provide your email address and create a secure password. Teachable requires only basic information during sign-up. After submitting the form, check your email for a verification link from Teachable to confirm your account. Teachable provides a 14-day free trial, allowing you to explore all platform features without entering payment information upfront. Once you've signed up, you'll need to create your school. This is your branded storefront on Teachable. Choose a unique school name, such as youracademy.teachable.com. Customize the look and feel of your school by selecting a theme and adding your logo and branding elements. This will make your school recognizable for your students. Use the dashboard to set up your branding and theme. To get paid for your courses, you'll need to set up payment integrations with either Stripe or PayPal. Teachable handles payments and security, but you need to connect your accounts. You can choose between Stripe or PayPal for processing payments. Both are secure options integrated with Teachable. To connect, visit the payment settings in Teachable and click the Connect button for your chosen provider. This involves providing necessary business and personal information for verification. You'll need to enter details like your business name, address, and tax information. Be sure to verify your identity for payouts. This usually requires uploading identification documents to comply with regulations. Finally, set up taxes using Teachable's integrated tools. This helps ensure proper tax reporting and compliance. Now, let's create your first course. Start by accessing the drag-and-drop builder in your Teachable dashboard. Use the builder to add various content types. You can include videos, text lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Organize your content into sections and lectures for a structured learning experience. Teachable has integrated advanced AI tools such as AI-powered video editing and automated quiz generation. The automated quiz generation allows you to create quizzes quickly using AI prompts. Your course landing page is crucial for attracting students. It serves as the first impression and conversion point for potential learners. Write a compelling course description that highlights the benefits of taking your course. Focus on what students will learn and how it will improve their lives or careers. Add a promotional video to showcase your teaching style and give a preview of your course content. This helps build trust and excitement for potential students. Set the price for your course. You can offer it for free to build an audience, as a one-time purchase for immediate access, or as a subscription for ongoing content delivery. As a note, Skillshare creator Amanda Russell migrated her digital art courses to Teachable, reporting a 40% revenue increase due to lower fees and better customization. This shows the platform's advantages for course creators. Customize the student dashboard to provide a seamless learning experience. Students can easily log in, navigate courses, and track their progress with direct access to materials and resources. The student dashboard displays key metrics like course progress, enrolled classes, and upcoming assignments, similar to educational management systems. Configure enrollment options to make courses accessible. Set up flexible payment plans, offer discounts or coupons for promotions, and enable free trials to attract new students. Payment plan options include one-time purchases, subscriptions, or installment plans, helping students afford courses without financial barriers. Enable marketing integrations like email campaigns to promote your course to a wider audience. Connect with tools for automated newsletters, promotional emails, and social media sharing. Email campaigns can promote webinars, course launches, and special offers, driving enrollments through targeted messaging and automated sequences. Take advantage of advanced analytics to track student progress, monitor engagement, and identify areas for course improvement. Use data on completion rates and quiz performance to refine your content. Analytics dashboards show student performance metrics, including participation rates, examination results, and subject scores, helping you optimize course delivery. Once you're happy with your course setup, it's time to launch it. Start by promoting your course through various channels to attract students. Social media is a powerful tool for promotion. Share your course on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use eye-catching graphics and compelling descriptions to drive traffic to your course landing page. Email marketing can reach your existing audience directly. Send newsletters announcing your new course, highlighting key benefits, and including a clear call to action button. Don't stop at social media and email. Explore other channels like blogging, search engine optimization, and networking events to expand your reach. After launching, engage with your students in the course comments section. Answer questions, provide feedback, and foster a sense of community. This builds loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth promotion. Keep your course fresh by regularly updating content. Add new lessons, revise outdated information, and incorporate student feedback. This maintains relevance and encourages repeat visits. Remember that Teachable provides excellent support through detailed tutorials, video guides, and active community forums. These resources help you troubleshoot issues and optimize your course. As you prepare to launch, click the Launch button in your Teachable dashboard to make your course live. Experts have praised Teachable's democratizing effect, noting that it empowers anyone with knowledge to monetize their expertise without needing coding skills. This accessibility has led to rapid growth in online education.